What's up, guys? It's Alec Mac 111. I just finished my e-bike unboxing. Now I'm moving to my Airsoft GI unboxing, and I don't know why, but I have a pretty good feeling about this. So this ended up being e-bikes or Airsoft GI's end of year unboxing, so it ended up being like $199. So hopefully we got something good out of this. The e-bike one was only $160, but I don't know. I have a good feeling about this. The last time I got something from Airsoft GI, I got the I think it was that MP5, I think it was the competition, no, it was the higher end version of the Elite Force MP5. It ended up actually being a really good gun. It actually came broke in the package though, so I ended up sending it back and they replaced a new one. But I have a good feeling about this, so hopefully this is a good box. And obviously Airsoft GI stuff. The box is some sort of classic army. And it looks like there's a red dot scope here, so we'll go ahead and go through that first. So that's an interesting red dot scope, bright silver. I don't know if it's like a short dot sight or an EOTech replica. Looks like it's ACOG style sight. Comes with the mounting instructions. I don't know what brand this is or anything. It actually looks pretty decent. I think this looks like the old Raptor Defense. So it's Raptor Defense red dot. I wonder if it's red green or if it's just a red dot sight. I don't think it has the batteries in it yet. We can kind of check out real quick. It looks pretty decent quality, not like the highest quality. Yeah, it does have batteries in it. Not the lowest quality. Sight picture looks fine. I don't know how, these are kind of like older style sights with the mounting system. They're okay, but any red dot's honestly a good red dot. So, but I'm curious what classic army this is. So this ended up being like right around $199, but I don't know. Classic Army total performance. The gun is actually fairly heavy. Doesn't say anything on the outside of the box. So let's see if it's something good. Please be a super sweet gun. And it's a Scar style. I don't know exactly which brand this is, or not what brand, what model. I think this might be the ISSC, is what they call it. It's Classic Army Scar. Yeah, ISSC, designed by ESC, Classic Army. At the beginning of when I started playing Airsoft, Classic Army was like the best of the best. All their guns were literally the highest quality. They were the first that created metal bodies outside of, because Tokyo Marine couldn't, and so everyone wanted a Classic Army. And I've heard they've, like, I think this is one of their newer versions of the gun. Comes with a tan high cap. It fits in the gun decently. Ooh, looks like an 8.4 1600 milliamp, so probably won't be using that. Comes with a standard wall charger, so I'm guessing this is probably just a budget-ish gun. Maybe I was a little bit wrong about it, but it looks pretty cool. The body is all polymer. I believe the top is, yeah, the top is polymer as well. It comes with some standard style Scar flip-up sights. It looks like it's got a 3-position stock, and then got a riser as well, flipped aside. Yeah, it's one of those Scars with the wiring job kind of in the middle. You just gotta be careful not to pinch these things because they can it can kind of just be easy to pinch the wires, and it's not good. Standard flash hider. Most of this gun, it feels like the barrel's metal, the rails are metal. Obviously, like the mag release is metal. This stock part is actually mostly plastic, so that's kind of surprising. Usually you'd think that they'd make that like a little bit higher quality metal. And then it comes with 500 Classic Army BBs, 250, yeah, 500 Classic Army BBs. I don't know if these are good. They look pretty good. They're .2s, or .25s actually, wow. So they're .25s, that's pretty decent. I do like the tan on this. It doesn't seem like it has the best finish. Obviously it's polymer. It's got a rotary style hop-up, which is nice. But I'm interested. This will be kind of a cool gun. I'm interested to see the shooting. Has your big red sticker right there. But I think that's it on it. I think this is one of the bigger packages. I order these mystery boxes because you guys want to see them, and I can't ever remember like, oh, is this one of the good guns? Is this one of the mediocre guns? But I think this one was one of the main guns that what everyone gets. And so it's pretty cool. Obviously, it's still a mystery box. It's still cool. My difference between Airsoft GI and e-bike is I got one gun for $100 and Evike gave me 2 for $160. Evike doesn't charge shipping, so I do really like that. I do like Airsoft GI as a site, and they do have really high quality stuff, and Classic Army stuff is really cool, so I'm guessing this is going to shoot way better than those other guns, but I wish they would just do free shipping, so maybe in the future they'll think about doing something with free shipping just on mystery boxes, but that'd be kind of cool. Thanks for watching this video, guys. This has been Alec Mac 101, and I'll see you guys later.